friends and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We are on August 17th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. And I was about to release my video when I got this alert for a 6.5 earthquake in Indonesia, in Kampong Bajo, Indonesia. So yeah, we'll get more on earthquakes soon. We've got a few hurricanes to run over today, and also an update on earthquakes. So we're going to start off here with tropical cyclones, and we have 5 active cyclones in the world right now, and 1 area of interest. But this Hurricane Lane, that's a big one. Also area of interest in the Atlantic. So first we're going to look at Typhoon SOOLIK, who's heading north-northeast, already a Category 2, potentially could become a Category 4, heading towards Japan. Yet again, another typhoon heading towards Japan. This has been a record year for Japan and all of the areas for this monsoon season and tropical storms. We're also looking at Typhoon RUMBIA. Now, RUMBIA is a Category 1 heading west. And we're going to look at leftover remnants tropical storm BEBINCA. Now, BEBINCA is part of this monsoon indulgence of rain, and the dying tropical depression Ernesto, area of interest in the Atlantic Ocean, about 30 kilometers east of the Caribbean. And then here we are, this is our large Hurricane Lane, Category 2 right now, projected to turn into a Category 4, possibly even a 5 by the time it reaches its path. It's beelining for Hawaii. Hurricane Lane. So those are the tropical storms from around the world. Looking at NASA Worldview here, some beautiful images. This is quite a perfect storm. Looking right into the cumulonimbus clouds here. It's amazing. It's a very strong storm. Most likely will turn into a Category 5 by the time it hits Hawaii. So stay aware and prepared, folks in Hawaii. You might be boarding up your buildings and homes soon. Overlooking the west coast, thick smoke throughout Alberta and BC. Air quality advisories all over the place. You can watch here a little bit of an injection, if you know what I mean. There was nothing here the day before. Around the world we go. I want to show you a very large system that is forming in Russia. And you can see on the left back side the injection of the heat and the carbon from the forest fires in Russia. These were not burning there the day before. And now this large system is growing. It's massive. It is massive. Stay aware and prepared. There is a lot that they're not telling us. And there's a lot that we don't find out in Russia. So, the coming days, probably see an extreme weather event in western parts of Russia and northern parts of Russia as that large low goes across. Look at the smoke across Canada here. That's insane, guys. It is literally hard to breathe. Special air quality statements being put out every day, almost every 3 hours. Let's look at earthquakes for the last 24 hours. We had those large earthquakes yesterday. Marianas Trench a 6.4 and a 6.0, just southeast of Iwo Jima, Japan. We also had the 5.3 recorded in Italy. So it was a busy day for earthquakes, that's for sure. Large earthquakes. A lot of action here in Mexico, in Peru, and also Bristol Islands region. Of course, the Michael volcano. It's quieted down in the Atlantic Rift, but the West Pacific Ring is very active. Here's the last 7 days for earthquakes. I'm just going to go over to the Pacific Disaster Center, and here it shows you the last 24 hours for moisture. Satellite images of the rain. You can see this long line developing, the large low over Russia. And just recently they posted those fires. And as I posted earlier in the video, we have 4 tropical storms. Hurricane Lane heading towards Hawaii. And of course, Japan being hit yet again. Just wanted to show you guys here, this is the world lightning map. All lightning strikes are recorded here. And United States, Midwestern United States, Southeastern United States, they have been dealing with tons of electric storms. Like, look at these massive storms heading across parts of Kansas and Chicago, Ohio. Very intense cells growing there. And there were tornado warnings put out, about 8 of them yesterday, so stay aware and prepared. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with the Morning Dude. Stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.